Good morning, Miva. Good Monday morning. Good June 1st morning. Just the start of a new month, but yay, what do you think? This is the month we end school, so it can't be that bad. All right, thanks for coming to our morning assembly. Our quote of the day, where you put the emphasis, will reflect on how you feel about your life right now. So thank you, Andrew Donovan, for those great words of thought. And so as we go through our morning, and remember, this is 2 weeks left. That is our countdown, right? 10 days of school, 5 for seniors. Worked on a nice little graduation asynchronous thing for seniors on Friday. That'll be going out this week. So we congratulate, of course, all the seniors that'll be graduating this year. And we make that happen, don't we? You made it happen too. All right, World Reef Awareness Day is today. Unleash your World Reef Awareness Day, just don't say it 5 times fast, on June 1st serves as a call to action for consumers, businesses, and organizations to reflect on the delicate ecosystem of our ocean's coral reefs. And one of our 8th grade students did a great project on this not too long ago. The day brings together the general public, influencers, and opinion leaders to create active change throughout education and engagement. Coral reefs are living communities of colonial organisms made of individual polyps that excrete a bone-like skeleton. This skeleton forms a large rock-like structure that are homes for thousands of organisms. The health of a reef tells us a lot about the health of the ocean. Many fish and ocean animals rely on the protection of the healthy, living reef for spawning season. The reef also provides more than protection. It supplies a rich, thriving food chain too. From plankton and algae to the larger sea creatures, the reef ecosystem is a significant life support system, and it contains quite a lot of the many small organisms that we need for our own lives to be successful here. All right, today in history, well, in 1774, the British government orders the port of Boston closed, and that was kind of one of the beginning stages of the revolution that was going to happen. So the Boston Port Act, part of the intolerable acts that were happening then. And then in 1789, well, the first U.S. congressional act on administering oaths becomes law. So that's where George Washington received his oath of office as president, and that's how they decided that they would do it from then on. Then in 1813, American Navy Captain James Lawrence, mortally wounded in a naval engagement with the British, and that was during the War of 1812, exhorts to the crew of his vessel, the Chesapeake, "Don't give up the ship." One of our famous quotes from U.S. history, and there's a picture of the little battle going on there as well. All right, on this day, June 1st in 2016, method found to delete disease-causing RNA defects. Wow. Professor Matthew Disney, I don't think he's related to Walt, a lead researcher at the Scripps Research Institute in Jupiter, Florida, published details of a compound capable of erasing defects in a person's RNA coding, potentially providing a cure for previously incurable genetic illnesses. To create this compound, Disney's team first identified molecules that precisely targeted RNA base pairs. Then they designed the drug around those molecules. If successful, the drug would allow geneticists to rewrite faulty genetic code responsible for diseases such as Huntington's disease, bypassing traditional treatments altogether. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Wow. So great work being done by some of these people. All right, our MIVA showcase should be happening next week, beginning either Monday or Tuesday. I haven't really decided yet, but next week we'll be doing the MIVA showcases. So you did receive an email message from Ms. Malfacini, and that's something that you can look at and fill out and send right back to us, and we will try to include you for next week's MIVA showcase. All right. All right, if you're stuck at home, why not travel with the world without leaving your house, as we did on Friday? I thought Ms. Valley did a great job bringing us around to Argentina. You'll be doing that again this afternoon as a club, and your club will be seeing Greece this afternoon from 3:30 to 4. So have some fun with that. And also the MIVA Reading Club will be meeting, Writing Club, sorry, will be meeting at 3:30 tomorrow. So that's Tuesday. Tomorrow, Dr. Chapdelaine would love to have you there to look at everything that is creative writing. Okay, only 2 Fridays left of school. I did change this a little bit, guys. Upcoming Prodigy Club activities on 6/5, you're going to collect hot huts and count up what you have. And then on 6/12, you have a party day. So game link share. You'll share a free school appropriate game site link and play. That's for your next this Friday, actually, coming right up. We also have an 8th grade recognition, a live assembly, Wednesday, June 10th. That's going to be at 2:30. It is a Blackboard session. So let's celebrate our 8th graders as they enter into high school. You can contact Mrs. Lance with any questions at wlance@mainvirtual.org. All right, it's a time to enjoy your advisory time. And of course, as I always say there, make it a great day and hang in there. It will soon be over. All right, take care, everybody. Thanks a lot.